Hi everybody. Today I am planting a vegetable garden here at my home in Zone 10B. I live in Los Angeles and our zones can range anywhere from 9 to 11 depending on elevation, how far inland you are, how far close to the coast you are. And my little neighborhood is 10B, which means we can plant anything we want all year round. I purchased and assembled a raised planter bed that sits about 3 to 4 feet off the ground so that I don't have to bend over. Then I filled it with some of my favorite vegetables that do really well in these cooler months. So come along and I'll show you the whole process from build to fill, and I'll show you what I'm planting this year. Okay, so there it is. That's my planter box. So let me bring you in closer so you can get a better look. This is actually made out of fir. You ordered the kit and then assemble it. And I did not know what I was doing. And it took me about 2 hours to do it. So the instructions were a little difficult to read, but as far as experience, I had absolutely no experience. I knew nothing, and I still managed to put this thing together. So now all I have to do is get the landscape fabric in there. I can fill it with dirt and start the planting. The assembly was relatively easy considering I'm a novice when it comes to power tools. And although I had to take it apart a couple of times, eventually it came together very nicely. I went back and forth about using polyurethane on it, but ultimately I decided I wanted the wood to be preserved, and I'm hoping the lawn cloth will prevent any chemicals leaching into the organic soil. The dimensions of the box is 4 feet by 2.5 feet and about 24 inches deep, and it took about 4.5 cubic feet of soil to fill it. When you're working by yourself and you need to unload a 3.5 cubic foot bag of soil that's too heavy to lift, you have to get creative. This falls under the category of how do you eat a whale? One bite at a time. Phew, done with that bag. Now I only need to add another cubic foot to give or take, so back to eating that whale. We are starting today with Swiss chard. I've got 5 plants here, and we're going to put them about 6 inches apart. So let's start with the big one. The weather right now is cool and overcast most of the day, which is perfect to get these started. And over this weekend, we're supposed to get a lot of rain. So I want to get these all snug in here. Now that those are in, we're going to add the lettuces. These are going to go in a lot closer. These loose leaf lettuces are beautiful. Let's see if I have the variety in here somewhere. So I'll get these in and then we'll show you when I'm done. I planted the lettuce about 4 inches apart. The leaves with the blush tips are beautiful, and the variety is one that thrives in cooler temps. Over on the end, I've added some parsley. My garden center was low on stock, but we'll be getting more soon, so I'll be adding some carrots or radishes or both. But for now, here's my start to the winter growing season, and I'll keep you updated because I'm looking forward to adding these fresh veggies to our diet all winter. If you are a fall planter, tell me what you're growing. Thanks for stopping by, take care, and I'll see you very soon.